We got the kids dropped off at school and came home. Terry wanted to mow the lawn and we had our old freezer in the way, so I thought it might be just a good time to load it up, get it down to the landfill. So we decided to grab it and the TV, got them loaded in the truck. I've got them strapped together. Time to send this $2,000 TV off to its resting place. Guys, good morning. Welcome back to McNeel fam. Guys, if you are new, we welcome you and we invite you to go watch our Who's Who Meet the McNeel fam video.
How did Clay and Terry meet? I'm gonna let you answer that one.
No, I'm gonna let you answer that one.
Did you forget?
It's super fun. We sit around, we talk about things that we like, have some laughs, go check it out. Today we're just getting the girls ready for school. They just got their hair done. We're gonna grab their lunches, their backpacks, and race them down to school. We're running just a little bit behind today.
Next one. Woo! The next one.
We got the kids dropped off at school and came home. Terry wanted to mow the lawn and we had our old freezer in the way, so I thought it might be just a good time to load it up, get it down to the landfill. So we decided to grab it and the TV, got them loaded in the truck. I've got them strapped together and then I've got a strap that comes over the top that holds them all in. So they shouldn't go anywhere. We're gonna head down there, get them thrown out, and then we'll come back and do some yard work. Smells a little fresh out here. Time to send this $2,000 TV off to its resting place. Can't get the rest of it apart, but kind of weird. Just dropped off the freezer. He's hanging out over here with his other freezer buddies. Probably talked about the good old days when they used to store everybody's leftovers, that kind of thing. So rest in peace. Come out and see what the green thumb is up to. There she is, just doing her thing. Mowing the lawn is therapy for this girl. She doesn't get the lawn a chance. It's like, as soon as it grows like a quarter of a minute, she's out here mowing it down. But at least I don't have to mow it.
And now it's time for me to go pick up Austin. He has to come home, get ready for his game today, eat something and let it digest and get everything packed and ready to go. So I'm gonna go grab him from school a little bit early today and in order to give him enough time to do all that, and then we will get ready to head down to his game.
We are headed down to watch Austin play his first ever high school football game. We're excited to watch him play. He says that he's been getting better, and so we really hope he's gonna have a good game. We really want to see his confidence go up at football. It's just, it's always a long road to get to this point. So we're super excited, and hopefully he has a good game.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to high school for today's matchup between the visiting Beat Diggers from Jordan High. And that is a safety.
Guys, we had to leave the game about halfway into the second quarter to come get some umbrellas. We were just sweating crazy over there. It was so hot. Well, our last umbrella we had broke, so we had to come grab some new ones. Ryan's trying to get some bubbles or something to play with, something to entertain. It's not extremely entertaining for the girls, but we're going to try and find some popsicles as well. I think that's will help the girls kind of cool down a little bit, so see what we can find there. Hula hoop. Come on, let's go. Is that what you're gonna get? Okay, let's just get it and go. Come on. You got some slime? Slime unicorn kid? Ice cream. It'd be hard to eat over there. Hard to share. No, popsicles. I like that. Play-Doh ice cream.
This is the best ice cream I've ever had in my life. Yeah, it's amazing. It's like the only good ice cream. I will eat this whole thing. We're gonna go there.
Oh, no, we can't eat it over there because we don't have spoons.
Well, we can buy some.
I promise, we'll come back another time. We'll pick that up. Let's get some popsicles right now.
Wait, Dad, can we come back? Oh, sorry. Can we come back after?
We'll see. We'll see, which is a no. I know, but the timing's bad. All right, that's what we need right there, assorted popsicles. We're gonna share those.
Ball carrier is Luke Stewart. He's brought down by number 25, Seth Dahl, and number 44 of the Knights.
Guys, thanks for watching our video today. Today was a great day for us as a family. Austin, his team scored 42-0 at the football game, and we are just feeling pumped. And we got out a little bit on the dirt bikes. Owen rode his down to soccer practice. He just got home not that long ago. So things are going well. We have got a very special person tonight we want to wish happy birthday. Her name is Quincy Daw, and we're going to wish her a happy birthday right now. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Quincy!
We hope you have a great day. We love you guys. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Happy birthday, Quincy.